Apple's mobile robot, AI-backed tabletop device in the works. It's been brought to light that Apple is venturing into the realms of robotics, reportedly exploring multiple personal robotics projects in a bid to rise with its next big thing. This development has been surfaced by Mark Gurman, a renowned tech journalist and correspondent of Bloomberg. Detailing on the sneakily undergoing Apple development, he described one of the projects to be a mobile robot that would follow users around their homes, while naming another to be an advanced tabletop home device that uses robotics to move a display around. The iPhone maker is also probing into the use case of AI algorithms which would help robots navigate cluttered spaces within people's homes, as per Gurman's report. The Cupertino-based company has apparently been inclined towards making robots capable of handling household chores, like cleaning dishes in a sink. However, what brushes this feature's possibility under the carpet is Gurman's remarks, wherein he claimed that chances are scarce of it coming out this decade, owing to extraordinarily difficult engineering challenges. Nevertheless, as far as Gurman's reports are concerned, Apple's home robot might compete with Amazon's Astro, an Alexa-equipped household robot capable of monitoring homes and providing mobile virtual assistants. Coming to the tabletop device that might mimic the head movements of a person on a FaceTime video call. However, Gurman said it's been pretty challenging for Apple to balance the weight of a robotic motor on a small stand. The development of such a device is also being debated by some Apple executives. Since these projects are reportedly in the very early stages of research, their availability to the public in future and even the development isn't in sight.